Morning. Morning, Badger. Morning, Bucky. Getting everything fueled up.
Rain one day, next rain day, rain one day.
Got a little bit of rain this morning, getting everything fueled up.
Rain one day.
Bucky just blew off the combine. Start picking corn.
Mustard bringing down the Mander Creek fuel wagon today.
I don't know.
The unveiling of the Mander Creek wagon. Maybe in the next one.
9420. $8,400. S790, 712 folding corn head. This corn head actually folds for transport. It's pretty slick.
Think thin, think thin, think thin. It's a nice handle up here. Just putting our makeup on, cleaning our face, washing our hands, getting ready for the day.
Look at that. So Badger,
Yes, son.
how long have you been farming?
Well, I started helping right out of high school, and then I went to Iowa State in the winter of 1989. I rented 2 farms in 1991. That's been exactly 30 years ago this fall, so I've been doing this for 30 years, and I still feel like I'm learning something every day. As technology, gosh, you can't just get in the combine and just start up and start go. You got to make sure all the computers are doing it. Combine's telling you, it's beeping at you. Sometimes you just want to turn the radio on and just say, Calgon, take me away. Anybody that remembers the old commercials from back in the 80s.
What's your favorite time of year in harvest?
My favorite time of year in harvest is when we're picking corn, not cutting beans. Picking corn, unloading on the go, on nice, good going rows. Corn's about 16-17%, and you are just laying it down. And trucks are moving, nobody's sitting, auger wagons are moving, everybody's flowing. And your brother or your dad or your son calls you at the bend site and says, what are you guys doing over there in the field? I can't keep up. I'm gonna have the dryer full by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You need to slow down. Like, hey Dad, the corn's yielding 250 bushel. I mean, I'm going 4 mile an hour. And he's like, it's a great problem. I'm just saying, keep it up. Yeah, that's what it's all about.
We might not be having that problem this year though.
No, so you know, every year is a different thing. I think I've learned enough to know now that you can grow a crop on a pretty small amount of rain, but you need rain in July for corn, and you need rain in August for beans. Because we got rain in August and the beans did really well. We did not get much rain in July, and I think the corn is showing that a little bit. It's still doing way better than I thought it would. But it needs that rain in July to really fill that ear out and help pollination.
I don't think we can comprehend how good it feels to see standing corn.
A year ago, okay, here's an example. Now it's a little damp this morning. We're going a little, usually we go a little bit faster. We're going like 4 mile an hour. Last year, this is the look. 1.5 mile an hour, maybe 2 if you're lucky. One direction, humped over the steering wheel, looking like this, watching your snouts. And you're going like this all the time. Oh, I need aspirin. Oh, I got such a headache from eye strain. This year, sit back, relax. I think I'll reach down my lunchbox. I'm gonna get a beverage out. Little lime Gatorade. Yeah, I kind of like that in the morning. It's a little citrusy, and you know, what do I do with my cell phone? Put it in my pocket. Ah, it's hard to get to. Put it in this little cubby hole here. Yeah, sometimes that's okay, but then it's in the way and it messes with you. I just put it up here in my little homemade thing, and you can put a charger through it if you need it. Oh, do you need a pen? Oh, do you need a Gatorade drink?
Running the grain cart during corn is so much more fun and entertaining than beans. Run, run, run!
What is that? What we do here at Man Family Farms is dump a little corn once in a while in the field for deer to eat. They've been eating it all year, but what are they going to eat in the wintertime when it's gone? There's a couple deer right there. They're already smelling that corn that I put on the ground for them. Look at them.
All right, we just got Dad going. 2 grain cart operators showed up, so he's all set. Trucks will be showing up in a little bit. I'm gonna go check on Derek. He's getting the other combine ready. Ooh, that's kind of scary. There it is, crew number 2, Bucky. What? 8-row, 9870, 8520, the other 1050. So on our 12-row corn head, it's what's called a chopping corn head. So basically underneath here, it has lawnmower blades essentially, and they spin around and they chop up all the stalks. Whereas this 8-row, it is a non-chopping corn head, so it doesn't have those lawnmower blades down there. So it doesn't chop the stalks as much as our 12-row does. We were gonna we wanted to get a chopping 8-row, but we couldn't find one, and we kind of got in a pinch, so we just found this 8-row non-chopping. Does a decent job. Now Derek's watching me, making fun of me for making a video. I didn't make it. Don't worry, that's our field too. I wouldn't throw something in somebody else's field. I'm not like that. That's an 80 across the road, and this here is about a 70. We're just gonna get things rolling here until Herb shows up and his cousin John to run these 2 outfits. After we get them rolling, Bucky's gonna go do some deep ripping if it's not too wet, and I'm gonna probably be driving truck. Hammer down. Sounds like Herb's gonna be here shortly, so I'm gonna go grab a semi. We'll be right back. It's only 9 o'clock, Decker. Don't do it. Don't do it. Get the old double aught fired up. Get yellow fired up too. I checked the oil. This is eye level, by the way. Nah, just kidding, it's right here. I don't sit that low. I don't think I can go that low. I could if I would, though. You know, the big nose Peterbilts. Anyways, heading to the field. Here comes my twin, Bobcat. There's Jack. Get the carts going. Badger's way up there. Can't quite see him, but moving along. Made it. Concrete guys are here working. What do you mean, why am I here?
The Tonka. Oh, it's a different truck.
The double up, man. Okay, stay tuned. I got rock filled in, gonna start framing some stuff up. Get concrete in there. Everything's running. Dumps, leg, dry legs moving dry corn out of the dryer. Dryer's moving, stuff's coming in. Pretty dry. They start switching over to the dry bin. Dump it straight in there. Table. There you go. I'm not even messing around. It'd actually be a little bit faster because I had to take the time to start the timer in the film and then open it. So 6 minutes, perfect. Felt like dumping at the co-op. Might have been even a little faster. Heading back to the field already. I won't be able to show you too much about what's going on and where all the corn's going in this video. There's just a ton going on at the bin site. Concrete guys are working. John and his crew are here. So I'm just gonna stay out of their way and let them do their thing. Trucks lined up. Got a little minor issue getting resolved at the moment. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, we'll change in plan. They had to do a little rewiring on the leg. It randomly shut off. There was no grain in it, thankfully, but the rewiring it up and getting that going. So we got 4 trucks waiting to dump. So I hopped in the red 2020. I'm gonna go keep the guys moving. Well, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's 3:33 exactly. You probably say to yourself, why are you guys sitting in a pickup in a beautiful sunshiny day? We have 6 semis full, 3,000 bushel grain carts full, a combine hopper tank full, probably another combine hopper tank full on the other farm. Our concrete guys were there, wanted to pour concrete today around the leg and in between some bends. And bees wings and wet concrete are kind of like oil and water. Just gonna quit for
3 hours or so, and hopefully when they're done and the concrete kind of hardens up a little bit, come back, grease the combine, wash some windows, cut to the chase. Hey, we're just taking a break because they're pouring concrete. That's it.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Waiting. All full. Waiting to be dumped. So while we've been on our little hiatus from combine and corn because of the concrete, just came over here, had to fix something quick on the ripper, a little sensor bracket. Just been riding together out there for a while. We're gonna finish that field up that Dad was in. I didn't get any drone footage of the 12 row today, but I will definitely get some tomorrow. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Got a bunch of content today. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Really appreciate the support. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not. Tell your friends. Just, we enjoy interacting and just, it's fun showing everything, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the funnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the scale. Let's go, boys.